I wonder who sent a soaking wet package from the White House.
Ah! I can't eat any more of those goddamn peanuts!
I can't be seen with you. Quick, put a tailored women's blazer on.
No one can find out we met or Hannity will die of a broken heart. I'm embracing the green lifestyle, and my body is rejecting it like the 50th packing peanut. How do you do it?
I don't live that green a lifestyle. I eat burgers, ride in SUVs.
You two-faced hypocrite. You're probably not even committing white genocide.
I promise I'm committing white genocide. I just recognize that it takes collective action to move the needle on climate change, so I can live my life while still supporting the Green New Deal.
You're saying I can cool the planet, solve my sweating problem, and I don't have to give up my natural spring water toilet? I am supporting the Green New Deal, which will halt global warming, watershed moment, blah, blah, blah. And most importantly, stop forcing me to change my undershirt every 3 hours because it turned from white to canary yellow.
Thanks to that Green New Deal cash, this mega air conditioning unit will cool the entire White House grounds. Whether inside or outside, you shall not sweat.
You forgot the best part. It's terrible for the environment. AC begins in 3, 2, 1.
Should we be worried about that plume of CO2 gas?
In my experience, nothing bad's ever happened involving the word plume.
You're watching a massive air conditioning unit cool the White House as it shoots deadly gas into the atmosphere. Meanwhile, the average global temperature is already rising. Bad news day.